How's it going, everybody? It's GadgetsBoy, and in front of us today is XVIDA. So this is a smart stand mounting system for your iPad. I'm assuming you can also use it for other tablet devices out there that's about the same size really, or similar size, but do check that out on the website, which I'll leave a link to in the description area. So some of the quick features there, as you can see there, you can mount it on the wall using this. You can tilt it at 65 degrees, you can tilt it at 45 degrees, you can tilt it at 22 degrees, and you got solid and stable tilt as well, so you can just place it flat on the surface as like so. So if we look on the back here, so we look at some of the features as well, some other features available. So you got stand mode, so you got 3-position tilt locking and release mechanism, protects iPad corners and back, smart cover compatible, so you don't have to get rid of your Apple smart cover if you already got one. You've also got mount mode, so you can put the iPad close to any mounting accessory and it automatically snaps onto the attachment point, allows you to mount the iPad anywhere in a whim, attaches up to 8 pounds of pull force, and that's just different languages as well of the same thing I've just read. So obviously I don't speak, I think that's French, I don't speak French, so I won't be able to read that for you. So this supports iPad generation 2, 3 and 4th. So again, I think I said already that you might be able to use it with a tablet, but I think that's wrong. You can only use it with iPad 2, 3 and 4. So let's get that right from the beginning. So we've got a mounting system and iPad stand combined. If you look on the bottom there, there's other available mounting accessories that you can get with this as well. I've actually got one here with me today, which I'll also pop in this video just in a second, but we'll do it one by one. We'll show this, we'll have a look at this first. So if you just take that out of the packaging, so again, this came from One Wise Mac. I'll leave a link to where that is, so you guys can check them out and see what you can get from there. You got a sticky pad there, 3M sticky pad. We'll have a look at what that will be used for just in a second. You've got a pad here for attachment, which I'll just get out of there. Here we go. So here's the pad there. We'll put that to the side for a second as well. And this is the stand itself, already folding away there. Put that to the side for a second, see what else is in here. So here's your manual, so do give that a read. That will give you information about setting this up. So here's the stand itself, which you can have in different angles as you wish. It's really slim and light as well, and it seems portable. So this will protect all the corners of the iPad, as you can see there, just looking at the corners there. If you look on the bottom there as well, this is something to keep it, to help stabilize it as well, to help it keep it nice and sturdy. So on the back there, if you see there, those are magnets there, and that's where this sticky pad will go to. So if you stick it onto there, it's very attracting as well, because the magnet is quite strong, as you can see there. So you can use this 3M sticker there, you can place it on there and apply it into place, and just put that somewhere where you might use it quite often, maybe on the wall in the kitchen or something like that while you're cooking. So once you've got your iPad in place, you can then fold this into different angles, as you can see there. So what you need to do obviously first is not use it with that if you're going to do that. So you need to just fold that into place, and you've got it in different angles there, as you can see. So once you finish with it, you can just snap it back up into position and you're good to go. So that allows you to have in different angles, so you can have it at angle, fold it a bit more, keep going until you get to the right angle that you feel comfortable using it with. So here's the iPad placed in the stand itself. So I can have my iPad like this, flat on the surface, or I can just fold it slightly to have it in that angle, fold it a bit more to have it upright a little bit more, as much as I want. And once I'm done with it, I can just fold it all the way up and go back flat again. And if I've got the back plate attached, for example, I can then stick this on the wall, and I can use it for reading books. I can use it for maybe a cooking little recipe or something, or watch TV while I'm cooking as well on things like BBC iPlayer and so on and so forth. So that's the sort of thing you can do with this stand. So it's quite versatile in terms of what you can use it for. There's various accessories available for it as well, so not just the stand on its own, so you can get other accessories to go with this. And talking of the accessories, I've also got an accessory here, which we'll take a look just now. So here's an additional accessories that you can possibly buy to go with a stand as well. So this is made out of aluminium, so you can see it's really strong. It's not moving anywhere at all. So if you got your iPad on there, you are sure that this is going to be nice and safe for your iPad. If you look on the bottom of this, you've got this padding, so that allows it to be nice and sturdy on the surface, so that gives it extra grip on the surface. It's not going to move anywhere. In fact, that was moving my desk rather than the actual accessory itself. So what you need to do is obviously attach this pad on here as well. So again, using the magnet material there, so you can place that on there, and that sticks on really nicely. And then you can use the actual stand that we've been looking at, and you can stick that on top as well for use with your iPad whenever you need to use this accessory here. Obviously, the only downside to this is the fact that this is not something that you can just rotate. So it hasn't got any rotating mechanism on the back there. So for example, if you need to then rotate your iPad to portrait mode, you just have to either do it like I just did, or detach it completely and then use it in the portrait mode. Otherwise, there's no actual built-in rotating mechanism there. But you can still use it in either portrait mode, or if you prefer, you can still use it in the landscape mode as well. But all in all, it's a really nice stand, looks really premium. The system there is very versatile, so you can use it as an actual case for your iPad. As you can see, it protects your iPad as you need it to do. You can fold it away very easily when you need to take it away on the travel with you if you like as well. You can easily attach this on the wall thanks to the little pad there with this sticky pad that goes on the back of it there. And also, if you like, you can purchase other accessories like this one here, so you can use it as a desk sort of stand as well for your iPad. So more or less becomes a productivity stand for yourself. So you can get a keyboard to go with it on the bottom, and you can start typing away if you need to do documents and things like that. Anyway guys, link to where you can purchase this will be in the description area, so do check it out. Like always, it's always interesting to find out what you guys think of this product, so do leave a comment below. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you give it that thumbs up as well. It's greatly appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there below somewhere. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.